Hi everyone, on this video I will show you how to work with templates on UBOS platform. I will show you first of all how to create your own template, and after that I will show you how to install some templates. If you have a new workspace that was just created, you will see this start page where you can choose you want to start from template or you want to start by creating a service. I would like to start from template and press there. And I see a list of full templates that we have. That's our start page in templates. If you have your old workspace where you are now working and have some services, to find where is templates, you need to press the template manager, open this window, and this window is the same as we see there. That's all templates also. And there you see a list of all templates where you can make some preview for the template. You see all information, there is description, category, how much it will cost, which services you need, and which integrations is in this template. And also on there you can see some screens, how this template look like. And let's go back and create our first template. We need to go there, my template. If I already have some templates, I will see it there. I didn't create anyone, that's why I press to this button and see this page. I need to fill all fields that I have there, add photos, services, and some integrations. Let's start from title. My template will name speech to text. Category, I think it's generation. Data source, I use just REST API. I can add some avatar URL. You can add some demo URL that's the link to your homepage where user can click something and test how it's work. I don't want to add some demo URL, I want to add photo. You can choose add this or this one. Also, you can set up status for your template. It can be public or private. If you choose private, you need to add some emails, press add. You have notification already added, and there you will see a list of users that have access to your template. I delay this user because I wanna choose public one, and also need to add some description to this template. I take my descriptions from GitHub, paste it there, and let's add some photos of this template. After that, we need to set up our services. It's really the most important part. First of all, I want to set up my new thread. Need to copy link to Git, paste it there. Branch name. My branch name is master. I put it there. My unique service name will be text to speech NR. And service type is not thread. And need to choose size. Small will be enough for this template, it's not so big. You can add some environment variables if you need. I don't need any variables on an R, I just need one for UI part. And press add. It's ready. Let's create our UI service. It will be named the same, but UI. Service type. Size also small will be okay for this template. Let's add some env. On env, I need to save URL to not read part. I name it as an R, and the value will be like this. The symbols plus unique name of not read service means that there will be link for service when the services will be installed. This will be the link to our not read. And let's copy our URL from Git paste it there and write the branch. Press add env, it's already added, and press there. Also, need to add some integrations that will be really good for users, because if you have some integrations with OpenAI or 11 Labs or Google services, it's better to add these integrations. User will see that user need some key from OpenAI for this template or some else information. I paste link there and write OpenAI. I use in this template the model whisper. Press add, and it already added. That's all. My service is ready to create, and I press this button. And on my template, I see my template that created by all has as my username. Can read some information. Also can go there and see information how it looks like for users. See my photos. And let's go back. Also, after creating, you can edit this template, you can delete it, publish, or see some info. Let's publish this template. Press yes. And now this template will see all users that we have on our platform. If you don't need that this template will be published, you will just press this button and publish, and it was hidden. Go to all templates, and there we see this my template. Let's install this template. Press there. We need to select workspace. I need this one. If you press fork template, your service is just started creating, and you need a few minutes for this all settings. We will use advanced mode. I will show you what you can change there. You can choose your service, change name of your service, or add some env. If you need, you know that you want to use this. For example, you can save on env in Node-RED. For example, key from OpenAI. I don't want to add anything. Also can change this env. And let's fork template. Our services start creating. We need to wait a few minutes for all settings, and we see our services are on process. And we see our UiPath and Node-RED service is ready to work. We can close this page. We don't need it anymore. And let's open our UI. And I see this is my template, everything okay. I have all pages. That's ready. Let's open our Node-RED. And I see it's also working. I have the all Node-RED parts that I need to have. And that's all. You see, it's really easy to create your own template or fork some templates that already was created, and enjoy using templates on our platform. See you.